Good afternoon, I'm forecaster Mark Spencer from NeoWeather.com. I wanted to bring you a quick severe weather update and let you know what we're expecting here later tonight and through the overnight hours into early Thursday morning. Right now we're looking at satellite and radar. We have some showers and storms tracking across eastern Indiana and into eastern Illinois and into central Indiana. Those are diminishing. We're also looking at low pressure right over Omaha, Nebraska right now, and that's really going to be our focal point for severe weather later tonight. That's also bringing a warm front into the state. It's generally just to the south of Cincinnati right now, right along where those showers are. It will eventually push north. For us here in northeastern Ohio, we're enjoying a great sunny afternoon, and if you're down at the Victory Parade downtown Cleveland, where there's well over 1 million people there, you're really enjoying this weather. We'll see more clouds moving later this afternoon and this evening, the ones out over Michigan right now. And then we're also watching for severe storm development around Chicago right around 7 or 8 o'clock tonight. We'll take a look at that in just a moment. We do have a severe weather risk across the area. I've expanded the medium risk now all the way to about the Ohio River. By the time it gets here, it really starts to break apart. But the damaging wind is going to be the biggest threat in this area. Winds of 70 plus miles per hour will be possible. This looks to be a very fast moving system as well, so it's going to come through very quick. Outside of that, we have a low risk for severe storms. There will be some storms that do develop ahead of the line and adjacent to this line as well. Some of those could get strong, possibly severe. Some of those could have some large hail. There's an isolated tornado threat. It's very low, however, from generally about Dayton up towards Lima and then to the south of Toledo, generally there in western Ohio. Could be an isolated tornado, but again, that threat is fairly low, and also some heavy rainfall, and you'll see what I'm talking about in just a moment. Timing on this, generally from about 10 o'clock tonight through about 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Anytime between there, we could see these severe storms roll through the area. Still a bit of uncertainty. Let's take a look at our future cast here, and we'll see the storms right around Chicago at about 8 o'clock. They start firing. There's that low pressure. Then here they come, and it really dives to the southeast across a good portion of the state, and by 5 a.m., it's out of the state. I did allow for a little extra time because some of the models took a little bit longer to get storms going. So we will have to watch that very, very closely, again, as those storms come across the state overnight tonight with very damaging winds. Some storms possible out ahead of it and then adjacent to the line as well. Here's this rainfall forecast, and boy, these are some big numbers for rain. This is just through tomorrow morning, through Thursday morning. Across northern Ohio, anywhere from ½ inch upwards of 1 inch. Where that line comes through, it's really going to drop some water. How about 1 to 2 inches of rainfall? Extreme southeastern Ohio could see greater than 2 inches. And actually, with some of the stronger storms embedded in the line, we could see locally higher amounts of over 2 inches of rain, 2 to maybe even 3 inches of rain in spots from anywhere from western Ohio across central Ohio and even into parts of southeastern Ohio. And we can even bring that down closer to Cincinnati as well. Even though we have a ½ inch to 1 inch here, we really could see a little bit more rain here as well. That'll be something we have to watch. Localized flooding is possible, and if you are heading to work Thursday morning, do be cautious if you did get some heavy rain overnight, and watch out for some flooded roadways. Remember, turn around, don't drown, never drive through a flooded roadway. Real quick, here's our 7-day forecast. We do clear out Thursday afternoon with highs right around 77. A beautiful weekend in store, but we are going to bring the heat. It's summer here in Ohio, folks. Sunny through the entire weekend. Low 80s Friday, upper 80s to around 90 Saturday and Sunday. 90 again on Monday with scattered afternoon storms and a few storms possible on Thursday. A little cooler. Highs around 81. Do stay with NeoWeather.com throughout the evening and the overnight. We'll bring the latest on the severe weather to you through Facebook and Twitter and also Instagram. Have a great day.